What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show y'all how to fix your gear shifter in a 1994 Lincoln Town Car. Let me show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. See how the gear thing, where it was loose, I'm in the process of fixing the problem now. But you might think it's your transmission shifter. Well, I just tightened it up. For all y'all that don't know where that's it. That's little thing right there. I ain't got the car jacked up, so I can't get up there, but that little piece right there, that's the nut that you have to tighten up. Loosen it first, pull it all the way to the front, and tighten it up as much as you can. But I advise you to use two hands, or you might well break it. But if that's always to the front, then you're good. But now, show you where my problem was at, and the reason why I was steady having this problem. Well, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Hold on, let me get to where is it? Where that little thing right there is running out with the, hold on, right there. This little thing with the gold bolts, and that bolt right there that you see, I just stuck that in there. It came off my lawnmower, my Robert lawnmower battery, and it fit perfectly in that little hole that's right behind there. As you can see, I haven't tightened it up all the way, but all this is basically one piece. Let's see, can I get my hand up and show you? But yeah, this and that is basically one piece. That bolt right there, you gotta tighten that up, and that's the bolt right here that I put in there. It'll go in a little piece that's behind there. Make sure you got all this together. And first, if it's loose, you can tell it's probably a bolt. Your bolt probably came out or something, but you'll better to see it once you get under your car. But put that bolt in first, and then start tightening the gold bolt up, and then as you start tightening it, it'll get tighter and tighter. But you got to use your other hand to hold the gear shifter to put that first bolt in there. But after you get that tight all the way, then you should better to put it in park and all the other stuff. Drive 2, 1. But as you can see, I haven't got it all the way tightened up, so it's still a little loose. But hopefully this help all y'all Lincoln Town Car lovers, because I love Lincoln Town Cars too. So hope this helped you fix your problem instead of you going paying a mechanic all this necessary money. You can fix it yourself. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe to my channel.